Hospital admissions and readmissions is a key component of improving healthcare quality. So with this assignment, we are going to complete some readmission analysis. Let's begin with question 1. So I've already opened my query. I'm going to restart it for you guys. And we're going to name it gangrene discharges. So for question 1, what are the total number of gangrene discharges? We are going to add our rules, and we're going to set the discharge to gangrene, and then we're going to run it. As you can see, the total number is 39. 39 discharges with gangrene. Question 2. What are the number of gangrene discharges not readmitted? So now we're going to add a rule, and readmission status, not readmitted. Then we're going to run. As you can see, total number 28. For question 3, what are the number of gangrene discharges readmitted? We're going to go back here, and we're going to change this to readmitted. The readmission status equal to readmitted. And then we're going to run. And as you can see, we get 11. For question 4, using a calculator or other resource, what is the readmission rate for gangrene? So you're going to divide your answer for question 3, which was the number of gangrene charges readmitted, and we found that it was 11, by the answer that we found in question 1, which was the total number of gangrene discharges, which was 39. Then we're going to multiply this by 100, and you should get 28.2%. So this would be the readmission rate for gangrene. So you're going to repeat these same queries for the additional discharge diagnoses. So for heart failure, kidney failure, sickle cell disorders, and all other admissions, you'll run it the same way. You'll just change. You can delete it, then you can change the diagnosis to heart failure, and you'll do the same thing and run those same steps. You'll add the rule, readmission status, not readmitted, then readmitted, and you'll run it each time. So the most commonly missed question on this assignment is question 23. Excluding all other admission discharge diagnoses, what is the readmission rate for the remaining 4 discharge diagnoses? So for this question, you will divide the total readmissions for the remaining 4 discharge diagnoses by the number of total discharges for those diagnoses. So you would add the answers or the rates from 3, 7, 11, 15. You'll do all the rates excluding all other admissions, and you'll divide it by the total of all discharge diagnoses, which is the discharge rates that you found from questions 1, 5, 9, and 13. So you'll divide the total readmission rates, excluding all other admissions, divide that by the total discharge rates from questions 1, 5, 9, and 13, excluding the all other admissions. And this is how you would calculate the readmission rate for the remaining 4 discharge diagnoses. For questions 24 through 28, you will open the additional resource titled 30-Day Readmission Rates to U.S. Hospitals. So once you review this infographic, you will compare the readmission rates that you calculated for each of the conditions. You'll compare that to the national rates, which are found in this report. If you have any other questions on this assignment as you work through it, please feel free to contact me. But I hope this provides the basis for completing this assignment that I've had a few commonly missed questions on.